Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Axis organized paper. Question number 109 is a piston cylinder system contains 2 kg of wet steam at 90 degrees Celsius with quality of 0.1. The piston is loaded with a linear spring. The system expands to 800 kPa and to 50 degrees Celsius on heating. The work done in kilojoule in this process is dash rounded off to two decimal places. Use the following data. At 90 degrees Celsius, P saturation 70 kPa, Vf 0.001 meter cube per kg, Vg is equal to 2.4 meter cube per kg. At 250 degrees Celsius and to 800 kPa, V is equal to 0.29 meter cube per kg. So here at initial condition Pi is equal to 70 kPa, okay, and quality is given as 0.1. So this Vf, so V1 comes out as Vf plus 0.1 into Vfg, and Vfg is 2.4 minus 0.001. So V1 comes out as 0.2409 meter cube per kg, and final condition is 800 kPa, and final volume is also specific volume is given as directly 0.29 meter cube per kg. So when there is no spring, then the constant pressure process will take place because pressure is increasing due to spring. So without spring, the work done will be here PV into P into V. So this is specific volume will multiplied by these both are specific volume. If we multiply by mass, then V total volume. So the work done will be here 70 kPa, 70 into change in volume into mass. So that will be here 6.874 kilojoule. That is the work done without any spring. So work done when work done against spring will be your kinetic energy stored in the energy stored in the spring. That is half kx. K is your spring constant, and that is equal to F into F by x. So F, so kx will be your F, and so it will be kx square will be your F into x. And this F force is force due to change in pressure. As initial pressure was 70 kPa and final pressure is 800 kPa. So change in pressure into area is the force, and x, if we multiply by x, then it will be change in volume. So we can say it is change in pressure into change in volume, total volume. Okay, so change in pressure is 800 minus 70, and change in area into the spring of change in volume is 0.29 into 0.2 minus 0.2409 into mass, that is 2 divided by 2. So that will be your 35.843 kilojoules, and total work done will be summation of these two, work done without any spring and work done against spring. So that is 42.717 kilojoules.